guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make my favorite ensalada de atún. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they'll be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's put our salad together. Alright guys, so first we're going to begin by draining our tuna. And you want to make sure that your tuna is in water and not oil. Alrighty guys, so once we have drained our tuna, we're going to transfer it to our bowl. And here with the fork, we're just going to flake it. And now we're going to add our pickled jalapeno juice, a little bit of avocado or olive oil, the juice of 1 lime, our sour cream, okay, along with our mayo. Season it with a little bit of salt and lemon pepper. Okay, now just mix it together. And of course, if you want to add some more mayo or more sour cream, you can always do that. And if you don't want to use sour cream, you can always use Greek yogurt. So once we have that, now we can get ready to add all of the rest of our ingredients. Our corn, add red bell pepper, cucumber or celery, our tomatoes, and make sure to remove the seeds from the tomatoes as well as for the cucumber. Along with that, our cilantro. Here we have the purple and green onion and our pickled jalapenos and carrots. Now we're just going to fold it all together until everything is well mixed. This salad comes together so fast, it's so easy, but we're just going to place it in our refrigerator until it's time for serving. Alright guys, and after about 15 minutes, our delicious ensalada de atún is done. So now we can get ready to serve. And of course, there's so many different ways that you can serve your ensalada, but today I'm going to enjoy it in a tostada. But first, I'm just going to layer with some smashed avocado and just top my salad right over that. I'm just going to top it with some salsa, just like that. We can now get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. This ensalada is seriously super quick, easy, and so delicious. You can honestly never go wrong with it. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make my super easy and delicious Mexican tuna salad. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.